Guang TBS Solar Waterproof Mounting Solution provides a comprehensive series of waterproof accessories, covering two main solutions: zinc-aluminum-magnesium and solar residential rooftop system mainly use zinc-aluminum-magnesium and channel waterproofing solutions. On rainy days, because the gaps between the components have been blocked by covers, a large amount of water will flow from the surface of the components to the front water tank, and a small amount of rainwater between the gaps between the components will flow to the front water tank of the sunroom through the horizontal U channel and the M channel. Industrial and commercial factories adopt Guanghuang photovoltaic waterproofing solution. Steel metal roof can be omitted when new buildings are built, which saves costs and has comparable effects. Installing this solution in existing steel metal roof factories can provide double waterproof protection to solve aging and leakage problems. Steel solar carports can use zinc-aluminum-magnesium and channel waterproofing solution. The main advantage of steel solar carport is that they can be made into single cantilevers, and the door will not be affected by the product column when parting. Zinc-aluminum-magnesium M-type channel waterproofing solution installation display. You can use square tube U-block kits or rail clamps to fix the M-type channel on the purlins. Place the U-shaped channel between the board seams, and then use a clamp with a crossbar or a med clamp kits to fix the assembly on the M-type channel.